Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbonge Nkosi. Ngithembe uthini kahle, niyaphila. Dango, asivele sihlala udabeni. I wanna to be honest, it wasn't a beautiful game, but what matters is that Kaizer Chiefs won. There was no way that we were gonna be the host of the trophy but not win it. In our third try, we finally managed to win it. And it was because of Mfundo Vilakazi. Ukorenga how many minutes konje? Yeah, 16 minutes he scored the first goal. So that simply tells you ukuthi usesekhona umsebenzi omele wenziwe and emningi. But what's important is that just build that winning culture and then everything else will fall into place. First half, I'd say it was better than the second half. First half was watchable because of, I believe the best players we had first half, it was Vilakazi, it was Uchislet. It was very marvelous to watch with Uvelepai. Those runs going forward. And Uchislet, I was impressed because of what? He was contesting Guma Joels aerially and also on the ground, making those runs and making sure he plays as an attacking midfield, making those half turns, setting himself up so that he knows very well after this is what I have to do. He was very intentional. Uvelepai, I see lento yakhe yokuyekhoneni uyayilimit and is trying by all means, of which it is a good thing to do. And uMaboyi and Umtasingwa, I'd say bebayibambile up in the middle of the park, but Umofat made it difficult for them badlale with fluidity in that middle of the park. But ngasho nje I didn't expect Umtasingwa to start, but he started, and I won't say that he was bad, but he was very decent. One thing I like about him is that he doesn't complicate things. He makes them simple. One touch, two touch, we move. He doesn't hold on to the ball for too long because he understands one thing. Less touches on the ball, quicker movement. That's why we saw Amanyama attacks were started by him with that one long ball. And obvious, you need a Velepai, you need a Mfundo Vilakazi to make those runs. Make sure he does a follow-up on those balls. It was a good display for him, even though the performance of the team was not that good. But there were a couple of players that I'd say I was impressed with. And for the fact that we are playing against a team that was using Team B first half, we should have made sure that we score more goals. But ngisabonga ukuthi kusesekhona inkinga yokuba selfish in the Kaizer Chiefs team. Mfundo Vilakazi, yes, now he shows maturity. It's not about trying by all means to force things to go my way. If there's an opportunity for me to turn back and look for my teammate, I should give him the ball and then we can start afresh. That's a good thing. Maturity, but still decision making is anokumkhahlele. He could have scored 2 goals first half. Ngasho nje ukuthi second, Gwalile, ngasho nje ukuthi it's like you came back with the game plan ukuthi okay, we are subbing off uSilva, we are subbing off Frosler, and we're gonna sub off who was playing, because we introduced Igodaro and we introduced Uandile. Yeah, it was Uvelepai who was subbed off. So even Utoba could have scored 2 goals, but he used the wrong technique. There's no way ukuthi usesidini, but when the way ukhahlela ngakhona umisinya straight kanje, mele ale bend so that silizongena kanje. But izinto mele sibheke sifunde kuzo, because still kusese pre-season asikwazi ukucomplain kangako, but it is important ukuthi siwapointe lama mistakes because they are part of what you want to do in the next game, because next week is yakhala. And iKruger United la ikhona yasho ukuthi if ever bazoza ngalendlela lekithi ayisizobanquma. But ngasho nje ukuthi we were not playing against a team that was weak. Truth be told, first half we saw Anderson De Campos. I don't know ukuthi yena no Arthur Salezwe Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi kwenzakala, maybe khona ukuhlobana okukhona esingakwazi, but bayafana even the way they play. And if uBobby mhlambe, because baconfirmile ukuthi there will be a movement of players, maybe bangazama lapha nakhona, but I don't think ukuthi Scotland FC might be willing to lose such a good player. And udlala le position vele sidingiwe ngakuyo. He is a right wing, so we can see he's very good, comfortable on the ball, and technically good also. It's not easy to take the ball away from him. Uzamile uMaboyi wahluleka, and he makes some good runs also, was troubling our defense. Even though I believe they were not that dangerous, Scotland FC, but there were moments. There was a moment of uVetBN where I believe if ever bekumunye uRev bekawuthi penalty lelana la pusho khona uFrosler, but we move. Second half, I'd say the team that looked like a team that was playing, but they were not playing to win, but they were playing just to share the ball amongst themselves. It was Scotland FC. They were rotating the ball, recycling it. It was good to see for the eye, but for what was at stake winning a trophy, I didn't think that was the purpose. And also we should be giving credit where it's due, because even our defense was solid, even our goalkeeper. That's why it was even difficult for them ukuthi bafike ku final day Kaizer Chiefs, because Msimang was subbed on because of injury ka-Cross, but uzibambeza qina, and bowubona nje ukuthi okay, now it's about let's calm things down, singaforce izinto esingazazi. uMiguel ngeke ashintshe bafethu, let's understand weyilandela amelokati unnecessary, but now he had a solid shift today. Give credit where it's due. I was excited to see a player like Ongwesa given an opportunity, and ungene vele at the later stage whereby there was not much expected from him to do, but for that part he played, he managed to contribute in a way defensively he didn't make it easy. But the weakest side for Kaizer Chiefs that Scotland FC was using to attack Kaizer Chiefs was the left hand side. Lega Frosler, they understood one thing, he might be technically good and ambidextrous, but can never play a player that is right-footed. His strong foot is the right one on the left-hand side, because we know very well we have to do something so that we make sure we catch him off balance and he's wrong-footed. And bobo the way bezingena ngakhona bez understand, but uba ne advantage ukuthini le side lela weak kulo umakhiswa nayini i-touchline, because they created moments in that side Elga Frosler. So that tells you something is the coach going to use Frosler as a left back or usa experiment, because we saw Cross playing as a left center back and siyazi vele he plays a left center back. So does that mean he's going to be a left center back and then uFrosler uyalapha kuma left backs? Because that's also another option for Kaizer Chiefs. We saw a partnering Mtasingwa and Umaboy, so we started with 6-6. That tells you something, we might want to build from the back, but also we should be conservative. We should have people that are good when it comes to playing the ball and also have those defensive instincts. That's why I believe Mtasingwa, there was a moment whereby he made a mistake, but his recovery was spot on, because if he didn't recover, they were through on goal upon Scotland FC. But Buffett, they always say this, form is temporary, but class is forever. As khona players noma siwagugile still basesemnandi. I saw Knowledge Musowa naye. Khona abantu abadalela ukudlala ibhola. And that's where you realize the experience is important. That's why in players like Abo Velepai, Abo Bartman, Abo Vilakazi, you get concerned there's no way we're gonna rely on them, but let's use them because we know there's something that they give to the club. But experience is vital. And Bartman naye ungenile, he played in patches, but one thing I liked about him is that fighting spirit to come back and help defend. And bengihlezi ngizwa abantu bathi he's very strong, angimbone kahle. Wathatha indoda wayibeka la. Wathi angeke ngabe yami namhlanje yithi silwina le trophy sihluleke kayi2 kulandelana. So this third edition kuba yithu. So let's hope ukuthi kuzoba nama signings asazoba khona if asese khona. But starting from now going forward, I believe coach mele azame na ukuthi alungise labo ngathi kuyabheda khona. And I believe ukuthi this was not an actual starting 11 that we believe ukuthi is going to be used, but it's a start of seeing it. Okay, there are ama combinations and he knows how to coach Tuta Cruz. Yabona lapho ungalenzi phutha. I don't know what can you say about everything that happened in the game. Silwinile trophy final.